Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to answer your question, can you use your headphones that you typically use with the PlayStation on your PlayStation VR 2 headset? Well, the answer is, in most cases, yes. So I have the Turtle Beach Stealth 700, and to wear these, all I have to do is expand them and place them on my head like this. Now, these can be a little bit tight on the ears, and it puts a lot of pressure on the headset. One of the issues you may be running into is the audio. Every time you turn on your PlayStation VR 2 headset, it's going to switch the output to a different output. So if I was using my headphones, it's going to switch it over to the headphones on the PlayStation VR 2. Especially if we have these earbuds plugged in, it's going to think that this is an output device that we want to use. So it's going to automatically switch it over. So we're going to have to go into the output settings. So if I press the PlayStation button, and then I go to the quick menu here, and I go on over to where it says sound, and then select this. Now, right now I have it coming through my HDMI device, my TV. So I want to plug in my USB dongle, and you can see when I plug this in, it's going to switch it over automatically. So my headset's going to be plugged in now. USB headset Turtle Beach. Now when I have my headset on, I'll have the option to choose headphones, PlayStation VR 2. So just make sure you're selecting the right output to use your headset. Now what if you actually want to use like your earphones or something like that? So the PlayStation VR 2 does come with a set of earbuds. But I have this headset that I use with my guitar, which is okay. But it has a 3.5mm headphone jack that I can plug into a device. So on the bottom of the headset, if I unplug this, I can actually plug this directly into the headset and use this as a means to get audio. Right here. So if you do have some sort of like earbuds that you personally want to use and not use the one from Sony, you can do that. But once again, go back up to the top here and make sure you're using the audio from the headset. If I don't have my PlayStation headset on, there will be no option for PlayStation VR 2. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.